Today, I'll be building along with you your first proper AI agent for stock and crypto analysis without any coding. But first, let me give you a sneak peek of the end product. I have just entered the prompt, analyze my portfolio and tell me what can be improved. And as you see, it has given me the entire analysis of my personal portfolio. You can even put a screenshot and it will analyze it. But wait, I am getting ahead of myself. Let's first build it. Hi, my name is Ashwin. Welcome to Techsober and let's get cracking. In today's video, let's create an AI agent that practically does the work of a professional portfolio manager for you completely free under 30 seconds. And towards the end, I'll also give you a surprise prompt template so you can create AI agent for something else as well, like an AI agent for writing a LinkedIn post or an SEO analyst for your website. A quick disclaimer though, I am not a financial advisor. Yeah, I know you might have not guessed it. I look like one. So nothing here is an investment advice. We are building a research tool over here, not a magic crystal ball. Although I would love to build that. Also, this is a simplified version of an AI agent to get you started. You can always build a more advanced AI agent later, but for today's video, let's stick to the basics. We'll build the agent in 3 layers. First, by giving custom instructions to our AI agent. Second, by giving it a data connection so that it can read real-time data. And third, connecting your own portfolio or database. Okay, so now quickly let's go to Claude or ChatGPT. You can use either of them. The process is almost the same, but today I'll be using Claude. Now in Claude, click on Projects on the sidebar. And a quick note, Projects is the pro feature on Claude. So if you're on the free tier, don't worry, just stick around. I have just the trick for you. Okay, now click on Create Project and name it, let's say, Financial Research Analyst. In the description, let's write Personal Finance Analyst. Pulls real-time data on stocks, crypto, and commodities. Gives clear briefings to make informed decisions. That description matters, by the way. It shapes how Claude behaves. Now, let's set up the brain. Click on Custom Instructions and then paste this prompt. You will get this prompt in the description, so don't worry. And towards the end, as I mentioned, I'll also give you a prompt template so you can generate custom instructions for other AI agents as well. Now, if you see, there are 3 key parts in this instruction: the role, the structure, the rules. Feel free to pause and read it. It is just to understand how I have written it. Now, after that, let's go to step 2. So click on the files, aka project knowledge. And here I'm uploading a file called analysis framework. It contains the stock in my watch list, what metrics I care about, red flags that I want to be flagged, and sources I trust versus the ones that I don't. Now, this is what makes the agent personal to you. It understands that you care about margins, dividend stocks, and you don't trust any random stock picker. The template is in the description again, so don't worry. And ideally, you should read this and edit it as per your liking, or add any extra instructions or database that you have. The whole idea is to make it personal to you. But if you are a beginner, don't worry, just copy this template and later you can create a test bot to experiment. Now let's come to the most interesting part, connecting real-time data. Watch this carefully. We are going to connect a real financial data feed. And for that, we will be using something called as Alpha Vantage. And the API key for it is free. And it works within Claude through something called as MCP. Now for non-technical people like me, don't be scared what MCP is. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It is just a connector for Claude to talk to other services outside of it. And that's it. It's basically an advanced version of an API. So step 1 to get your free API. Go to Alpha Vantage website and over there, click on Get Your Free API. After that, it will ask you to fill out a form. Just fill the form and click Submit. And there is your API key. Just copy it. Now step 2, let's get back to Claude. Now an interesting thing happens over here. If you click on this add-on option in your AI agent and then click on connectors, ideally you can see all the connectors over here. But because we need a custom connector, it's not over here. It used to be here, but Claude has changed its place. So what you need to do is click on your profile icon in the bottom left, then go to settings and click on connectors. Over here, you will see the option of add custom connector. Just name your connector and add this particular URL followed by the API key that you received. You can see the format on the screen. And that's it, the connection has been established. Now over here, click on configure. Here you can choose between different options like need approval and always allow. Let's say you click on need approval. What it does is every time that you send a command for asking to Alpha Vantage, it will ask you for the approval. So that's completely up to you. I am currently selecting it to always allow. So we have established the connection. Now your agent has access to live stocks, real-time crypto data, news sentiments, 50 plus technical indicators, even economic indicators like inflation and GDP. This is what people pay hundreds and thousands of dollars for. But now you have it for free. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to Techsober. Now we still have to connect our own portfolio, but before that, let's test how this works. Okay, let me ask. Give me a full briefing on Tesla. And as you see, it did. If you notice, the source has been called from Alpha Vantage to pull data. So your AI agent is using real tools. There is no guesswork. Look at this. Our agent has given us 52-week range, real market cap, today's news with sentiment scores. You also get a summary with what to do next. That's high level of research briefing. And you can do the same with crypto as well. It just takes 15 seconds. If you would have done it manually, probably it would have taken you easily an hour. But let me now show you my personal favorite feature. Just take a screenshot of any stock that you are eyeing on and just paste it in your AI agent and ask like, how is this stock doing? And as you see, it even recognized that it is not a stock, it is an index, and it corrected me. My bad. It explained the entire chart, gave me its own analysis, and ended up with a summary with what to do next. It is that easy with this setup. Now let's take our AI agent to the next level by uploading our own portfolio. So it becomes personal to you, and you can even ask the health of your portfolio and ask for suggestions based on it, and a lot more. All you need is a CSV file from your broker. Just go to your broker, the one that you trade from, and you will get the option to export your portfolio in a CSV file, which should look something like this. This is a dummy version that I created using AI so that I can explain you better. So once you have got your CSV, drag it into the project knowledge area, basically the file section as we did it before. And now I can ask questions like, review my portfolio. What's the biggest concentration risk? It will read through my CSV, cross-reference with the live prices through Alpha Vantage, and give me an analysis. And as you see, it tells me my risk level in order. It tells me my most important issue and also gives me the next step. You literally need to pay a portfolio manager or a stockbroker to get this analysis, but not anymore. Just update your portfolio, basically the CSV, and upload it every week to stay fresh. So there you go, your agent is ready. Now for my friends who are using the free version of Claude, here is the workaround. What you need to do is copy the custom instruction system prompt that I gave you, the framework that I gave you, and your own portfolio, and paste it in the start of every conversation. It will use Claude's free web search tool. It won't use Alpha Vantage. So it won't be very powerful, but genuinely useful, especially for briefings. Again, all the links to these prompts are in the description. Just copy it and use it. And finally, let me share with you the surprise, the prompt template, through which you can generate custom instructions and project knowledge for your other AI agents like LinkedIn posts and all. And I've put all of this in a Word document. Again, the link is in the description, so check it out. So hopefully this video was helpful, and please try it out because we are in the AI age. And if you have any doubts, just comment below or DM me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace.